Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install Git and configure it on Windows. Then simply come up with the Chrome browser and we are just going to type here Git for Windows. Then simply click on here Git downloading package and we are going to select here operating system as 64-bit. So it will start with the download, and once it downloaded, then we'll start with the installation process. See, Git downloaded successfully. Now simply show in folder and just double click on that. Once you double click, it will start with the installation process. See, GitHub, it is a version control management tool. Simply go to the next. Simply go to next, and just click on install. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for installation. Once it installs successfully, then I will show you how we are going to create the repository. This will be centralized repository on github.com, and we'll go ahead with the clone the repo in local. GitHub, it is a cloud-based platform that uses Git to host and manage code repositories. It helps developers collaborate, track changes, and deploy code easily. Once the installation is done, then simply we'll go ahead with the github.com, do the sign up and sign in, and then we'll create the repository there. See, installation is done successfully. Now simply click on finish. If you want to launch git bash, you can go ahead with that, but I'm not going to launch it. Just click on finish, because anyway either you can use git bash, otherwise you can simply go to the cmd also, right? Yes. Then see, if you want to check here git bash, you can simply type here git. You will be able to see git bash also available there, git joy also available there. Now installation part is done successfully. Coming to next you can simply come up with the github.com. You can simply type here github.com and go to the sign up and sign in. In my case, I already done the sign up and sign in. Then see, this is the account available here, like Full Stack Java Developer Pune, right? Yes. Then here we are just going to create the new repository. Simply click on new. Otherwise, you have option available plus here create the new repository. I am just coming with the new, and here we have option available repository. I am giving this repository name as, you can simply consider core Java example. This is the repository name. If you want to give description, I am just giving here core Java example. This is public repository I am creating. If you want to add a readme file, you can simply add the readme file as well. If you want to add some information about project there. Now simply click on create the repository. See, repository goes to create there. And once a repository is created, then simply come up with the code and click on copy icon here. See, here is option available, copy it, and simply come up with the our local folder. In my local this D drive there is available Java folder. I am just creating the one more folder. The folder name as git repo. I am giving the folder name as here git repo. Just open it and type this cmd. Otherwise you can simply use the git bash also, but I will recommend, if you are newcomers, then you can simply use the cmd. Now type git clone and just paste the url there, whatever we copied, right? Then git space clone space, just paste the url. It will start with the cloning the repository, and here repository clone successfully. Now simply hit cd space tab button. It will go to the core Java example. This is our repository what we have created here, right? Yes. Then once we are coming inside that folder, here this folder you will be able to see core Java example, right? And there is available a readme file. Now here we are just trying to add like one Java class like welcome.java. Then simply come up with the notepad, and I am writing the class like this will be public class welcome. Then inside that I'm just going to write the main method. You can say this will be public static void main string arguments. If you have available projects, you can directly copy paste the project also. I'm just creating like hello world application here. In that we're writing system.out.println, and here I want to say like welcome to Full Stack Java Developer Pune. Perfect. Ending with semicolon. We are just adding ending with semicolon here. Then close our main method, close our main class. Yeah, here we are just going to close the main method, close the main class. Now save this file. The file name we are giving welcome.java. This file I am just going to save inside D drive. There is available Java folder inside that Git repo available there. Yes. Here you can say welcome.java. Just save it. If you want to run this application, right, here you are able to run the Java application as also. Okay. If you want to run, you can simply use like Java and give your application name. If you want to check, I'm just giving Java. Our application name is welcome.java. It will print the output, welcome to full stack Java developer Pune. Okay, this is optional. This is not mandatory to run this Java application here. We are just trying to commit the changes, right? For commit the changes, simply use git add dot. It will add all the files, whatever available. In our case, we have only one file, welcome.java. This file is added there, right? Now come up with the next. Next is git commit. You can simply say -m, and there we are just going to add here, this is initial commit, this is initial commit, this is message. Git commit, it means we are just trying to commit the changes. -m it means message, and the message I am giving here initial commit. Hit enter. Now they have given here option, please tell me who you are. Then we need to run those two commands here. This is the first time activity, everyone they need to do. Then copy this and just paste it here as it is. Then instead of you@example.com, you can simply copy paste the email ID here. In my case, I am using the email ID full stack java developer pune @gmail.com. Hit enter. Email is successfully added there. Now we are just going to configure our name, right? You can simply say git id, you can simply say here. How to copy this git id? You can simply come up with the github.com, and there is available your id. Here is your profile, and from profile you will be able to see the id available there. In my case, my id is full stack java developer pune. I will copy the id and simply come back to here and paste as it is. Hit enter. Perfect. Now you can simply again use git commit -m initial commit. The next, you can use git push. It will push the changes on centralized repository. See on screen. Now we are expecting it will go to push changes on centralized repository. For that perspective, we need to sign in with your browser also. Then simply click on that. It will go to sign in with the browser, and once it's successfully done, right, then definitely we are able to see the changes will be uploaded on centralized repository itself. See, here is it. Simply hit enter, and there is available welcome.java. This welcome.java we have created here. For demo perspective, I just added the like hello world application, but upcoming sessions definitely I will deep dive into all the commands, GitHub using Eclipse, like by using IntelliJ also. We'll go to the GitHub sessions. That time you will get the lots of learning curve. This session I don't want to create more complex. This is just like how to install Git and configure it on Windows, and how we have created the repository by using centralized repo, and how we have clone by using commands here by using git clone and the URL. After that, we have created the file. If you have project, you can simply add the project within that particular local repo and go ahead with the commit the changes. And if you want to use git GUI, then you can use the git GUI as well. I will show the git GUI option here. Suppose I am just adding here one comments, right? Like you can simply say this is the comment, like this is main method. Okay, and here we are just going to say added by Kiran Jadhav. We are just giving like this printing statement added by Kiran Jadhav here, right? We have added some comments. Now how to check git GUI? Simply come back to here and just type git GUI. It will open the graphical user interface. See, here is the GUI, right? And whenever you are able to see plus it means this much code added. This is comment, but anyway, like here it's saying like this is the line, it's added here. Minus it means this is deleted, right? Then here you have option available, either you can click on that small arrow icon such a way. Otherwise, just goes to commit and stays to commit. Then it will be adding within stage changes. And here you can give the message. The message I am giving here, added comments. If you have any Jira ID, you can give the Jira ID as well. And this message, it will be like meaningful message. Okay. Then click on commit, then push on which branch? Main branch. Then upcoming sessions, I will teach you here how to create the master branch, development branch, and feature branch as well. Okay. Then the latest changes also available on centralized repo. You will be able to see the comments on there. See, this is the comments available there, right? Yes. Then stay tuned with the Full Stack Java Developer YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.